Craving your favorite restaurant dishes at home? The secret is out. McDonald's special sauce is a mix of mayonnaise, relish, mustard, and vinegar. Combine 1 cup mayonnaise, a quarter cup relish, 1 tablespoon mustard, and 1 tablespoon vinegar. Refrigerate for 30 minutes to allow flavors to meld. KFC's secret spice blend includes paprika, garlic salt, and thyme. Mix 2 tablespoons paprika, 1 tablespoon garlic salt, and 1 tablespoon thyme. Add 1 tablespoon of this blend to your fried chicken for an authentic taste. Subway's Italian dressing is made with red wine vinegar, olive oil, and herbs. Combine 1 cup red wine vinegar, half a cup olive oil, and 1 tablespoon dried oregano. Shake well and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Chick-fil-A sauce is a mix of mayonnaise, ketchup, and relish. Combine 1 cup mayonnaise, a quarter cup ketchup, and 1 tablespoon relish. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. Panda Express's orange chicken is made with soy sauce, orange marmalade, and ginger. Combine 1 cup soy sauce, half a cup orange marmalade, and 1 tablespoon grated ginger. Add 1 tablespoon cornstarch and 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Try these recipes tonight and taste the difference. Like and subscribe for more cooking secrets.